Hi, in this video I'm going to show you some of the cool things you can do with printing using the Contacts application. So I'm going to open up Contacts here, and this is just a dummy, as it were, a template for showing training videos, because I'm not going to expose the contacts that I have to everybody, but these are just some pretend ones. In any event, to print, you can have many options. For instance, everything I'm going to tell you now can be applied either to an entire group, to all your contacts, or to one individual contact. For purposes of this training, I'm just going to show you what you can do with all the contacts. So, what I'm going to do is click on All Contacts, make sure it's selected, and then go to File and Print. Now, once it's here, you can see right here where it says Mailing Labels. Okay? Now, what you can do is you can use the names and addresses that you have already in your contact list, and it'll print out in a list that you can use later on. You have the Avery Standard, Avery A4, which you can see it changed a little, Dymo labels, all kinds. And even within, for instance, the Avery, it gives you all these choices, okay? A whole lot of choices. Now for the label itself, you can have a different color for the font, how you want to print it, alphabetical order, postal code order, in other words, zip code order, just all kinds of different choices that you can have. You can change the font. You can have a background image, okay? At least an image within the label itself. That's just for mailing labels. For envelopes, same thing. You can have layout right here, international envelopes, North American envelopes, and of course this goes down right to the bottom, to the top here. Japanese envelopes, all these different kinds. Let's take a look at one. Okay, because in other countries their envelopes are different. And going back to North American, and we'll say commercial 5. Okay? Now, that's just for envelopes. For the label of the envelopes, you can print your home address, or you can not print your home address. You can print your envelopes in alphabetical order, postal code order, or in other words, zip code order. You can have the color of the font change, okay, an image instead could be in the background. Also, the orientation, okay, portrait or landscape, depending on how you want to feed it into your printer. Besides envelopes, we have lists. A simple list, okay? And you can have all the variables that are in your contact list either in this list that is printed out or not in the list. So look what happens. Here's a photo here, okay? And I'm going to deselect photo. Gone. Select it again, and it's there. There's a phone number. It was up here, and now it's gone. I'll put it back. You can have any or all of these different variables which you enter into your contact list when you have a new contact. The font size can be either regular or large. Okay. And also the style of the list. Okay, I'm sorry, we've just done that. Pocket address book. Now what you can do with this is you can print out your contacts in on a very small piece of paper, and you can just carry it around with you. If you're on a trip and you won't have your computer, although you'll probably have your phone, your cell phone, you may have your contacts on it, but in case you don't, or in case you just want to back up, you can print out a list. And different styles for this list. Compact, okay, without the alphabet to organize the names on the left, or indexed, like that. You just click on print and you've got it. So again, mailing labels, envelopes, lists, and pocket address book. All kinds of things you can do simply with the print option, the print dialog box in the contact list in OS 10. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.